Assalamualaikum, I am Rahila Hassan, Health and Nutrition Specialist on Urban Clap. Today I will be helping you to prepare a great Ramadan. Ramadan being the holy month, and it's a month of blessing. To keep your spiritual and physical requirements, you need to stay healthy throughout the day and for the entire month. Start something which is light, especially include liquids like fruits, juices or soups. This will help you to control your sugar levels as well as maintain a fluid and electrolyte balance in your body. Include meals which are healthy such as grilled items. Replace your fried foods from tikkas and grilled items. Include egg salads, paneer salads, a bowl of fruits or watermelon, muskmelon, papaya, banana. Make smoothies and shakes. Put some seeds like pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, that will also give you this vitamin E. Plus add some yogurt to your meals, that will again help you to give you a protein, calcium and vitamin B12 also. So during this hot summer days of Ramadan, here are the following tips. First, overeating is not the solution to regain your energy levels of the whole day. Second, adjust your medications because certain people are on certain medications. Third is diabetic people, keep a check on your sugar levels, whether they go high or low during the month of Ramadan. If you're looking out for more health tips and customized diet plans, you can find me on Urban Clap. Ramadan Mubarak, stay blessed, stay healthy, thank you.